Welcome everyone to this video. Today we'll show you how to disable sound effects on the LinkedIn app using your phone. If you find the LinkedIn sound notifications distracting or unnecessary, this simple guide will help you. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Then tap on your profile icon located at the top left. Next, scroll down and select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, tap on Account Preferences. Now, scroll down until you find the option called Sound Effects. Tap on it to open the sound settings. Finally, turn off the toggle next to Play Sound Effects. Once you do that, LinkedIn will no longer play any sound effects while you're using the app. You can always return to this setting if you wish to turn them back on later. If this video helped you, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.